To send money using the Lulu app in Malayalam, first ensure you have downloaded and installed the app from the App Store. Open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you are logged in, click on the Send Money option from the dashboard. Enter the recipient's phone number or select their name from your contact list if the recipient is not a Lulu user. You can still send them money and they will receive the funds in their bank account. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the payment method. You can use your debit or credit card, or your Lulu wallet balance. Review the transaction details, including the amount, recipient's name, and payment method, to ensure everything is correct. Now, add a remark or description for the transaction. If needed, this will help you and the recipient identify the purpose of the transaction. Click on the Send button to initiate the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. It is essential to note that you should only send money to trusted recipients and verify their account details before initiating the transaction. Also, be aware of the transaction fees and limits associated with sending money using the Lulu app. To avoid any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable and your account has sufficient balance. If you encounter any errors or issues, you can contact Lulu customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily send money using the Lulu app in Malayalam.